Today, I'm saving you $100 as we walk right off the ship at the St. Thomas Cruise Port to hit 5 incredible spots, including a bar with swings and the best view in the Caribbean, all without booking a single shore excursion. Stay tuned for the end, where I share the one safety rule you need to follow when walking around this port. I'm Andy Hodges from Cruiser's Choice. Subscribe so you don't miss my money-saving port guides. There are 2 different docks at St. Thomas, one called Havensight, and the other is known as Crown Bay. In this travel guide, I'll be featuring Havensight, showing you alternatives to booking an expensive shore excursion to save you money. The port is next to Charlotte Amalie, which is the capital of the United States Virgin Islands. Our first stop is the Skyride to Paradise Point. It's only a half a mile away and will only take you about 5 to 10 minutes to walk. It's a popular aerial tramway attraction that takes visitors on a scenic ride up to approximately 700 feet to the summit of Flag Hill, also known as Paradise Point. A shore excursion with a view like this would easily cost you $90 to $120 a person. But if you walk up to the ticket window here, you're only paying about $29. That's an instant $70 per person of savings right off the bat. Our second stop is the Rum Hut. This too is less than a mile. It's a lively open-air tiki bar and restaurant, conveniently located right next to the cruise ship dock. It's an ideal spot for cruise passengers looking for a quick, casual hangout without venturing far from the port. Prices are reasonable. The bar uses swings instead of stools, which makes the Rum Hut unique. You can sign your name anywhere around the bar. I signed mine. Look for my name near the bar if you visit. And let me know in the comments if you've ever found a hidden gem like this right next to a port. They specialize in tropical cocktails, and they also offer food options. And speaking of food, our third stop is the Craven Crabs. Just a 10-minute walk. This is a very popular seafood restaurant in St. Thomas, specializing in Caribbean food. They offer seafood platters, lobster, crab dishes, brick oven pizzas, and chicken. But their wings with Thai sauce are the real star here. Our fourth stop is the Agave Tequila Bar and Mexican Kitchen, the shortest walk from the cruise ship. If you're craving Mexican cuisine, I highly recommend checking out this spot. They have the best guacamole. This place has an inviting atmosphere and has gained popularity for its fresh ingredients and excellent drinks in St. Thomas. The chips come out warm every time, and honestly, the portion sizes here are huge. You could easily split an appetizer and a main dish between 2 people to save even more lunch money. And finally, our fifth stop, shopping. St. Thomas has a huge allowance for duty-free shopping. U.S. citizens can bring back $1,600 worth of goods duty-free, which is double the normal limit. That's why people buy their luxury watches and jewelry here. The port even has a Pirates and Treasures museum with unique gifts to buy. Now for that safety rule I mentioned. St. Thomas is beautiful, but it also has a high crime rate outside the tourist zones. My rule is simple. Follow the crowd and keep valuables secure. Stay near the port, which are all the places I mentioned. I hope you enjoyed some of these things you can do in St. Thomas if you just want to walk off the ship. Thanks for watching. If you're heading to other ports in the Caribbean, make sure you check out this playlist for more money-saving guides. I'll see you at the next port.